Okay, last question on the Unit 2 review, question number 16. This is another one that I'm going to do without a calculator. If I were to expand it out, I would get x minus 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 2, which occurs 3 times. And then I have this x minus 4, which occurs once. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my zeros right now. I know that all of these parentheses, the only thing that would create a 0 in each one of those parentheses is positive 2. And then out here, I notice the only thing that would create a 0 in that set of parentheses is positive 4. Now the multiplicity here, this would be multiplicity 3. This would be multiplicity 1. So my multiplicity is 3 for this one and 1 for this one. You notice they're both odd. So these are both crossing scenarios. Now, the other reason I write it out is what is my degree here? Well, this would be x times x times x times x. And if I were to write it all the way out, I would have x to the 4th power. Okay, and that tells me the general shape. This is going to make a parabola type shape. Okay, and so I know my graph is going to come from this direction. I might move this. I don't know if I can move it over a little bit. Maybe I'll get this out of the way for now. Or here, I'll shrink it down here. Let me grab all this stuff. Yeah, let's undo that. Maybe I'll just move my things a little bit. Yeah, sure, we'll go down here. So I know my graph's going to look like this. It's going to come from this direction, and it's going to end this direction. And I want it to cross at 2 and cross at 4. So let me go back, actually. Move this back up. So I'll go ahead and make 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make a dot here at 2. I'll make a dot here at 4. And my graph's going to come from this direction here. And it's going to cross. And it might do some other things in there. I'm not super concerned about it. It's going to look like that.